Levi? What is this?
Is that a broom broom?
Is that a broom broom? Can you say broom broom? Broom broom.
Broom broom.
Okay, Levi. Whoa! Levi.
Where'd it go? Where'd the lid go? Where'd the lid go?
Levi.
Look at Mom.
What does Godzilla do?
Does Godzilla go?
What does Godzilla do to the buildings?
Does Godzilla destroy buildings? Yeah?
What does Godzilla do to the building? He doesn't squeak at them. He doesn't yell at them either.
He goes.
Does he go rawr? Rawr.
Rawr. Rawr.
Rawr.
Does he go rawr? Aruga? I don't think so. Levi.
Rawr. Do that.